I want to believe that everything our flag stands for is true, but honestly, I've seen more patriotic red and blue on the bodies of protesters who were beaten for saying that Black lives matter too, and I can't even fathom what I'm seeing on the news. Whatever your race, gender, or sexual orientation, we're all supposed to be united in this nation, so why is there still so much hate and discrimination? And maybe it's because we've been manipulated for so long from behind the scenes to see each other as the other on TV screens. We've lost sight of the bigots in power who hide behind crosses that they can't burn forthright, and instead, they clothe Christ in their agendas like skins in Fortnite, and they pretend that all lives matter as they profit from the conflict that they're trying to incite. And we know it's wrong, so why the hell are we still pretending that everything is all right? And whether your politics lean to the left or the right, knowledge and foresight are key to realize that if we don't want to end up like the Hutus and Tutsis, we need to know our neighbors as family and not as strange fruit, see eye to eye and treat each other as I and I, even if you don't believe in Selassie I. Because the truth is, most of us are just afraid and misled. We don't want to see each other dead, we just want the security of a roof over our heads and enough food on the table to keep our families fed. And maybe if we started the conversation there instead, we'd be more inclined to break bread and to bake bread for those who can't make bread, and we could show kids hope instead of the dread that comes when we ignore them in favor of what is said by talking heads. The only way to combat disunity is to bring unity to the community and to not let disagreements and differences evolve into violence with impunity, because the world is so much more dangerous if we can't trust the people living next to us. Empathy and understanding is a must if we don't want to see this country ground to dust. And to make a difference, you don't need a huge platform like LeBron or the prophetic mind of Khalil Gibran. Just a moment, reflect, and to act on what's right and wrong. So let's stop allowing ourselves to be used as pawns and bring the change before we're far too gone, because we've been dancing to the tune of the same old song for far too long.